Say Radi Womua, ye. Me share Kasagu my Ghana, so say Radi restore mine. No. And Radi restore Ghana. Edu baby a Ghana so here restoration. Hwɛ ɔman a ɛwɔ mu na yɛto aba wie a na mpanyimfoɔ eba bedi adeɛ sɛ kandifoɔ deɛ di kan wabɛyɛ minister wabɛyɛ CEO wabɛyɛ MP ana wabɛyɛ president ana wabɛyɛ district chief executive MCE DCE ana mayor wɔnyɛ saa position wɔ nyina ɛyɛ avenue ɛde ma no sɛ nka obetimi dia create opportunities amano ho nti wono anya saa advantage you know oman ya etimu yo this nation needs to be restored saa oman ya etimu ya oman atirimodenfo na adi so abesi saa bre no emso yi Kwame Nkrumah free atirimodenfo na adi oman so saa nti oman we so must be restored. God must restore and yet shudo must restore this nation. Some mpanyimfo yi nyina nya position we a nyansa nimdie mu no Rollins ade bi ode ba say yenya ade bi ma akuafo ene ahiafo nti ya bie ba bi a ye frɛ ho National Scholarship Secretariat a ho ye nsi achi ba ye dipia ohiani ba a na dwene mu do nanso oni mmoa na wo mu a obeye minister MP obeye bia president MCE mayor chief executive sa nipa no SANKOFA sa mobrofo isi achiba na friend National Scholarship Secretariat money no fund no wasanfa no de amount no ne ba wasa de ne ba na kotena brochire na ohiani no a enam so ma Rollins mumie bie sa de no ne nam ha na obre o ma we here restoration no nam ha no obre enti opportunity a we minister MP ana politician wanya position no when your position can know is enough for the creative avenue amount, but the coffers money you don't touch it. There be a mekachi musadia F4 we are sepaya mamu. Say ubu abusunya, amamu guahodo, say ubu abusunya, ubu ukro, I fro hene, and I say ubu asafo, say osofo and answer pesade neda. Dinche mempenny. Mempenny dear ni amanyo sem dear na unya winnie, I'll buy a boak on humadada. Ka obetina musio. If you are better than Sio, Sika de Bay Jumao, or mine do the natural resource in Yasadia Mao, Bibia or it is a mine no boo beya forma, just or wagon pa. The anti or mine boya forma in Nipa or Mia Papa ne say, the woman you know the hair or mamano or near the frupe or near greedy. But the anti Africa, Mamuaya de politicians ne say, or mine do the Yena or no better, so no fat corner hot, yeah, de man so deco equine. Was a mamonede. I'm a Malay. That is Africa. Africa needs to be restored because Africa is sick and Ghana is sick. Where a buying befra konya so no. Na sika a buy money per be a dieno. A chain sika edikosi dama a here for co musku. A chain dan edikosi ye a sika edikosi dama a here for a timikoja at her friend hospital, even clinic. Sebiribi ni mu ankomo mfumu nkomo. On my way, and then me teaching, I'm be teaching, you know, is about what? Restoration. On my way, so I see a restore my, you know. Adain and Kaya Coco for Sikaniba, as I didn't see a chiba, a dehemo brofo, Sako Hisikaniba. Lady Bia alleged Loma, I didn't call a year national Huawei, BB big gift in Huawei. No, no, Kofa National Secretariat, Edia Henikuno. You see? You see? Enti baby a yabo to say here for ma. If you say baby amuko too good na mo de abo man no national headquarters ho no. Ah mo de be hwe man no. Ohia ni bi ba e wo ho. Ohia ni bi afuo na muko too ye. Enti se ya too good wo ho de ya too bauxite ya too oil ya too we wa ha. Yemfa mra na yemfa sansi achi bai National Scholarship Secretariat no. Enhwe sa ahiafo ma no. Na sikafo no asasesa. No de ko. Kwasi ada no tia son dem. On tia son dem or no bosom obekoso or ne grandmaster obeko no ho. Okopem mo abo no ne ho ban. Na boni a wodi adi oman enchen mo a okopem abo ho ban. Nti oman na sei. Upe oman a He Africa nyina ope oman a yare pa Nigeria. We oman the most sick country in the world, Nigeria. They have oil, they have many things, but look at the state of the country. After Nigeria, it is Ghana. Do you know why? Ghana is just one state in Nigeria. Okay, Ghana, because say one region. By end, they want Nigeria for Nibi. Ghana is America to Nigerians. Also, Ghana. They've all come to Ghana. If you want to establish his own kingdom here, the madman going into somebody's land to establish yourself as a kingdom. Enti Ghana yare second to Nigeria. The enti America say, "Oman here restoration." She go do a to no Ghana. Oil a yetu and Nigeria for to be already amamubi. Oman kitwa we you. This small nation Ghana, you have oil, bauxite, gold, salt. Samunim. En so no amutu no form eba nyina e can natural resource no ho. The well, pipe na borehole no nyina ka ho. Because ko a year mo frɛ ho sɛn. Dubai, omo import nsuo. Enti wo Nyankopɔn de we nyina akyɛw. Wasan ma asase a otu bibigu so na afifie. Oman we yɛ tirimɔdenfoɔ ti oman we mu sɛ omo yɛ oman panyimfoɔ. Ghana and say Ghana ni bia nkobre. Ese Ghana ni bia oti Ghana. Yenya wo ne your birth set ne hu say wo ye Ghana ni wie a. O say bia account ma wo. Saving 200 cedis kwa ne dia tum na buy the nsa to so mfa wo sanka na interest. 2D18 na nko wafa. Because if you compare the natural resources Ghana has to the population, now no census almost 30.8, isn't it? And Nigeria for whom you're saying 7 million. Into what is 7 million free 30.8 and Kayabeka said 23.8. Yenti Niger for no, Omo says Sadio Kwahono, and your Mumbu More for no. Yanti Omunin and Frim, Betty Mali for Frim. Think how we are Ghana and your population here, baby, 80 million. Na natural resources you go mind with no mind paying for a catcher say Yakobobusia. One of the wicked countries in the world, because of our leaders, is Ghana. That is why we are looking forward to see change from Mahama. If he is able to finish what he is doing. Because there should be a restoration. The we are saying na yenye. Yan fan kwakura. Na no me kohwe ulumai. SANKOFA Ministries junior patron deputy and me name drive we come say hey na mo kwan katapo kwan say me ko ho ache oyare first bia me kohwe no na nse want me ohwe kwan ankofo fa so e ho so kwan na ese akwa bi susu tonton ne ma wo ho ahia fo sika wo gi wo ho a wo so betim di akora kwan no kora che se oman ne yare na wo ka no kora na ho ya ahi se aban mu wa moa me ani sika de a onye papa. That is why I do, baby. I so for be compromise with certain government. Omunyina galam say no makotu bi. No so for Bible say yenhwe o man ye die kane, no man di yenso ye die Jeremiah 29:7 o ka kira so for. No so for kokan obi ho say the political party nti yense o man a. We so for. Awurade tender be crash o. Na wo hwe sa kwan ya asese nyina. Ne abeka che se sika ni ho ntina yekobo obosia. Na gold na yetu no, wo de ye dan. Bauxite, gold. Nancy Kramunya lithium last year, Central region, Meboa. Then I read in your mind Ghana. Now the entire ready gold in this Sadia Manisha Sassum ne say. Yem Fasadia na yem fan here for Yinani and Yepe. Tino de Gentina told the Obeko region be a poor region, but hold a good war. And so you go to a near their bank line. That is why now no nan cry for no more have man cry for no more concern for back here there I must say and cry for and cry na airport no yan cry sika na edisi ye the whole Ghana go do 2 year cocoa edua ne ade sika na de aye enti ye here unity enye disunity enye tribal sentiment enti saa niema we nyina ekoso e na Ghana ye bre wo mo eti saa katapɔ ne nimpotamu ho and no amikofa. Now here Ajin Kutuku, the copper pass the Fawa Baby Pie Afiaman Trade Junction, Kwama Samaya, Famua, Kokopie Kaswa, Eko Fapa Passia, the Kokopie Kaswa, the Amanfo, Huna Mane Papa. No Busa said, do we have leaders in this country? Because Ghana na ube dia Yaboa Kohmadada. Osofo Peja, ne Rademana Domachedia, or OCC, or bomb or born home modern so basic prayer center be Amanfo for Benyoje, Yamona Kohuma. That is fake if one number Mudiga, Tonton, Yamadinyas Kaumu. Now, ube diman penny dia, ube politics, Yaboa Kohmadada, Cowbetinum, Fuuntia, Usimintimi more mine, a mummo ne fu, we are say. Na mummo be from us, and penny, just all Utimomre, just all I grandpa. This nation also needs restoration. It's a topic here. Let there be a restoration, or minus let there be. Now, any pair bread, and say Ghana and Kia Bressa. A issue at 3 men winning as I did. I didn't know yet. Mercury. I could to get them say, since you know, I say, Ruras, I see no, ne de yare, as I bray. Ghana is sick because of our wicked leaders. And to be a crack to our more bread, now we see you, baby. No, I tam. We are the Emma say no munya platform master no more church. No church youth empowerment. Usika when you are over youth empowerment. Ye mu bi no ya bra from scratch. Aye free na beti ma church nipa mana be nipa. Oko wie sage ye omochi no gift ho ahwan. Me hwe no program oko na so no church how to become a youth empower. You see? Omo so mo ye bebre no. Enti na Bible say yedi a eni abakosem no eni awie pa na eni agina so Awurade be pagya wa wode ufo enti na Awurade promise ahini a oma crown oma war Awurade pagya good oma promise good marriage a obema process of disappointment saa na de akoduru ho na wasomu yie wo mo 50 prekunyo mo akoye a ono so yadubu ahin ose hwan ni video bi na me hwe wo TikTok say okwa asambi so go em so edeken o youth. Now, all church youth empowerment. When your opportunity, you have to do this, blah blah. Allegedly, I will call you say, where be only free. I will be church youth empowerment. God is going to restore you, and follow the obey. Nenka say radin to me pajao. Obe pajao positively. But men koye bribia a best say when I read the action who free. What here? Ghana must not lack anything. Osenka Africa nyina be bobusia we ha. Unse ha na Kwame Nkrumah first ka no de ejiji African countries free abro funsem. Eye den na ye ko bobusia. Eye abro.